Hi, this is me and my friend Emerson.
Hey.
That was Emerson. This is Owen,
Yeah,
his little
this is me.
brother. This is Owen, his little brother. And we're going to be showing you how to make a cool little, like rocket carrier wagon that can go on the back of a car. So first you're going to take a simple 2x6 piece. And you're going to take two 1x2 pieces. And you're going to put them on the very end. Just like that. And after that, you're going to take one of your things that could go on the front of like a four-wheeler or something and put it right on top of there, like that. So now you have that. And after you do that, you're going to take a set of wheels that's a 2x2 in the middle so that it would fit under this and put it right there. Now I have that thing. After you do that, you're going to take a 2x3 and place it right there. Just right there.
Butterfingers.
And after you do that, you're gonna take a trailer hitch thing that could go on the back and put it right there so that you can tow it on the back. After that, you take a little 2x2. You'll take a little 2x2 plate and put two of these little spike things on top. So that now you have that. And you're gonna put that on the very end. So far you have this little thing. After you do that, you're gonna take one of these plates with a little dot in the middle and put it on top of there, a 2x1 jumper. And after that, you'll take a little hook and then a 1x2 thing that could hold the hook on and put it like that. So now you have that. And you're gonna put it like this.
And then
You have this little thing that could go like that. After that,
you need some pre-made rockets.
After you're gonna need some pre-made rockets, like a little rocket thing. Put it on a black piece with a little thing in the middle, and then repeat that. And you're gonna put this on the bottom one. So far you have that. So now you have a little thing that could be towed. After that, you're gonna take another rocket that's two of these things put together and one of these like that, and you're gonna place that right above it. Now you have your little rocket carrier that lays right there, and bye. That's